Ceci n'est pas un test. S'il vous plaît, restez chez vous. Ceci n'est pas un test. S'il vous plaît.
Binary chemical weapons.
Please stay indoors and do not engage.
Dude, what are you doing? Why aren't you filming this?
Don't tell me you're making another survival movie.
Fill up everything you can with water.
What is it this time? Zombies?
Zombies. Zombie? Zombies? Zombie. You know it is always zombies. You really think those are gonna cut through bone?
It can't be that hard. You've seen the movies.
Dude.
It's time to grow up, boys.
It kind of looks like crap.
Hey, look, you're the zombie expert, okay? But I know about filmmaking, so just leave it to me.
Dude, grow up. Roll camera.
What is this? It's all shaky.
It looks like the Blair Witch Project. Enough with the movie! Zombies do not exist!